Beneath the waves lies a world that few humans have ever witnessed. Hidden in the darkness of the deep ocean are creatures so strange that they seem almost impossible to believe. From ghostly fish to living colonies and extraordinary hunters, these are some of the most incredible deep-sea animals ever captured on camera. Gliding silently through the darkness is the Rhinochimaera, often called the ghost shark. Despite its name, it isn't a true shark, but a distant relative that has survived for hundreds of millions of years. Its long, pointed snout is packed with sensitive organs that help it detect prey buried beneath the seafloor. In a world where sunlight never reaches, this remarkable adaptation gives it a powerful advantage. But even this ghostly fish is outmatched in size by the next incredible creature. This isn't a single animal, it's a giant Siphonophore, a living colony made up of thousands of tiny organisms working together as one. Some species grow longer than a blue whale, making them among the longest animals ever discovered on Earth. Our next creature glides through the deep with surprising grace. Gracefully drifting through the silent darkness is the Dumbo octopus, one of the deepest living octopuses ever discovered. Named after the large, ear-like fins on either side of its body, it glides effortlessly through the water with slow, elegant movements. Unlike many other octopuses that rely mainly on jet propulsion, the Dumbo octopus conserves energy by gently flapping its fins. It lives thousands of meters beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight never reaches and the pressure is immense. Here it searches the seafloor for small crustaceans, worms, and other tiny animals. Every sighting of this remarkable creature reminds scientists how little we still know about the mysterious world hidden beneath the waves. But while the Dumbo octopus glides peacefully through the darkness, the next creature turns the deep sea into a deadly trap. Hidden in the darkness is one of the deep ocean's most remarkable predators, the anglerfish. In a place where sunlight never reaches, finding food is a constant challenge. To solve this problem, the anglerfish has evolved an extraordinary hunting strategy. Extending from its head is a glowing lure that acts like a fishing rod, attracting curious prey in the darkness. As an unsuspecting fish swims closer, the anglerfish waits with incredible patience. Then, in a fraction of a second, it opens its enormous mouth and captures its prey with rows of razor-sharp teeth. Every successful hunt provides precious energy in an environment where meals can be rare. It's a perfect example of how evolution has shaped life to survive in one of Earth's most extreme habitats. But not every creature in the deep sea survives through fear. Some survive through elegance. Floating through the darkness is the comb jelly. Although it resembles a jellyfish, it belongs to a completely different group of animals. Tiny rows of beating cilia scatter light into shimmering rainbow colors, creating one of the most beautiful displays in the deep ocean. Beauty isn't the only surprise hidden beneath the waves. At first glance, this creature looks like a giant underwater pillbug. It's called the giant Isopod, a deep-sea crustacean perfectly adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. Living hundreds to thousands of meters below the surface, it survives where food is often scarce. To cope with these conditions, giant isopods have evolved an incredible ability. They can survive for months and in some cases even years without eating. When they finally discover a dead whale, fish, or other food on the seafloor, they consume as much as possible, storing enough energy to last through long periods of hunger. It's an extraordinary survival strategy in a world where every meal is unpredictable. While the giant isopod survives through endurance, the next creature looks like it belongs on another planet. With its incredibly long legs and tiny body, the sea spider is one of the ocean's strangest creatures. Despite its name, It isn't a true spider, but a distant marine relative. Some deep-sea species grow much larger than those living in shallow waters, a phenomenon known as deep-sea gigantism. Instead of lungs, sea spiders absorb oxygen directly through their bodies. These remarkable adaptations allow them to thrive in the cold, dark depths of the ocean. But while the sea spider wanders the seafloor, the next creature waits patiently for its prey to come within striking distance. At first glance, the sea anemone looks like a beautiful underwater flower gently swaying with the current. But beneath its colorful tentacles is a skilled predator. Each tentacle is covered with thousands of tiny stinging cells that instantly paralyze unsuspecting prey. Once a fish or small animal is trapped, the tentacles slowly pull it toward the anemone's mouth. In the deep ocean, beauty can be one of nature's most effective disguises. While the sea anemone waits for prey to come to it, the next creature catches its food in a completely different way. Suspended in the deep ocean is the extraordinary basket star, a close relative of the starfish. Its many branching arms unfold into a delicate, tree-like shape, creating a living net that captures tiny drifting animals carried by the current. When danger approaches, it quickly curls its arms into a tight ball for protection. It's a remarkable survivor, perfectly adapted to life in the deep sea. As we leave the basket star behind, one final deep-sea resident glides into view, a remarkable octopus that has mastered life in the silent darkness of the ocean depths. Gliding silently across the seafloor is the deep-sea octopus, a master of life in one of Earth's most extreme environments. With its flexible arms, remarkable intelligence, and ability to blend into its surroundings, it moves through the darkness with calm precision. Even after centuries of exploration, encounters like this remind us that the deep ocean still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. And yet, this is only a small glimpse of the extraordinary life hidden beneath the waves. From ghostly fish and glowing hunters to graceful octopuses and living colonies, the deep ocean is unlike any place on Earth. Every expedition reveals something new, reminding us how much of our own planet remains unexplored. If you enjoyed this journey into the deep, subscribe for more real ocean documentaries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next exploration.